closing out. To close out your short spread, you'll need to buy the short 55 call for the current price of $4.50 and sell the long 60 call for the current price of $2 for a net debit of $2.50. $4.50 minus $2 equals $2.50. The total cash you'll pay for the spread is the $2.50 debit times 100 shares or $250. Since you originally received $350, your profit will be the difference of $100. As any bear call spread is moderately bearish in nature, you should expect a decrease in the underlying stock price for profits to occur. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.